I'd highlight three challenges the sector's facing. One would be dosing and delivery. We've seen, obviously, some challenges this year in the gene therapy space, and there's some work to be done and some learnings to be achieved around optimal dosing and delivery strategies. We also, as a field, struggle with CMC issues and the appropriate regulatory framework connected to the CMC requirements for these therapies. ARM is doing quite a lot of work in that area, and both convening members around best practices in both cell and gene manufacturing, but also in working with regulators globally on CMC requirements. And then lastly, I would say, I think we've got some key challenges in the public policy domain. Europe in particular is at risk of falling behind the rest of the world in terms of cell and gene therapy development. We've started to see some troubling indicators about the growth of the sector and clinical trials in Europe. So the EU pharma strategy, which is under deliberation right now, will be an important moment for helping us make sure that Europe is competitive in terms of ATMPs and European patients have access to them. I think it's a variety of things. I think fundraising is challenging in Europe. I think GMO requirements for gene therapies are complicated in Europe. HTA assessment of gene therapies has traditionally been, of course, a national competency. Now we see maybe an effort to have joint clinical assessment, which may be valuable. So I think it's sort of a range of issues, and really Europe has been such a leader in this space, both scientifically. A lot of the most innovative regulation of the ATMP space began in Europe, so there's a very strong foundation of talent and experience in Europe to build from, and we just need to get the policy environment right. And then also innovative payment models. So we know that these therapies are unlike traditional pharmaceuticals in that you don't take one a day for the rest of your life, but the fact that you get, in some cases, a single administration and it has a durable, powerful effect on your life and therefore has a significant cost up front is a challenge for the healthcare system. So we're working with payers, both private and public payers, to try to create new models that could enable these products to be covered by insurers and therefore provide access to patients.